Imagine the sky as a giant game of space Jenga. Only, instead of wooden blocks, it's satellites. Tiny human-made specks of ambition. Ambition that floats and drifts with no regard for our petty existence. And here's the fun part. There are already over 27,000 trackable pieces of debris up there. Millions more too small to see. Each one travelling faster than a rifle bullet. Now imagine one of them breaks. Maybe a screw comes loose. Maybe a solar panel shatters. Maybe someone's hand gets stuck in the airlock while escaping a xenomorph. And that little disaster smashes into another, which smashes into another, which smashes into another, until suddenly the whole damn tower of human ingenuity collapses like cosmic dominoes. This, my friends, is Kessler syndrome. When our orbiting junk becomes a firing squad of minigun-firing space fiends, or some such metaphor. Yep.